Welcome to our channel. In this video, the best premium floor standing tower speakers that deliver powerful sound, sleek design, and top-tier performance. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or stereo setup, we've got something for every audiophile. Links to all the speakers are in the description, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the sound showdown. Number 5. The Polk Audio Reserve Series R700 Tower. Speaker offers exceptional audio quality for home theater enthusiasts and audiophiles alike. Featuring a one-rear Pinnacle ring radiator tweeter and dual 6.5 turbine cone woofers, combined with dual 8-on long throw drivers, this speaker delivers clear highs, detailed mids, and powerful, distortion-free bass. Its bass reflex cabinet with down firing port and Polk's patented PowerPort 2.0 technology ensures deep, room-filling, low frequencies that enhance both music and movie experiences. High-res audio certified and compatible with Dolby Atmos and IMAX Enhanced, the R700 supports high-resolution formats such as DSD, FLAC, WAV, ALAC, and MQA, making it perfect for a premium home audio setup. The speaker's design includes carefully cross-braced cabinets and magnetic anti-diffraction grills, minimizing resonance while maintaining a modern, elegant look in walnut brown. Versatile and thoughtfully engineered, the R700 can be used as front, side, or rear surround speakers, and can be paired with other Reserve Series components for a complete surround sound system. The adjustable feet provide stable placement on any floor type, allowing precise positioning for optimal sound. Users praise the R700's performance, noting its ability to rival speakers costing several times more. For those seeking a dynamic, immersive audio experience with high-end features and build quality, the Polk Audio Reserve R700 is an outstanding choice. Number 4. The MartinLogan Motion Foundation F1 is an impressive three-way floor standing speaker that delivers exceptional audio performance for home audio enthusiasts. Equipped with a 1-inch folded motion tweeter, a 5.5-inch cone mid-range, and 3 5.5-inch bass drivers, it offers a well-balanced sound profile with clear highs, detailed mids, and solid bass. The bass reflex enclosure enhances the low frequencies, providing tight and controlled bass without overpowering the overall sound, especially when paired with a dedicated subwoofer. With an RMS power handling of 100 watts and peak power up to 200 watts, the F1 is capable of producing loud, dynamic sound with a sensitivity rating of 92 dB. It covers a wide frequency response from 41 Hz to 23 kHz, delivering rich, immersive audio suitable for various music genres and home theater setups. Users praise the Motion Foundation F1 for its clarity and crispness, highlighting how it performs beautifully across different styles from rock and metal to hip-hop and electronic music. The speaker's elegant design, weighing 46.5 pounds and standing 41.4 inches tall, complements any room decor while offering robust build quality. Overall, the MartinLogan Motion Foundation F1 is a fantastic choice for those seeking a powerful, detailed, floor-standing speaker that excels in delivering balanced, high-quality sound for an immersive listening experience. Number 3. The Klipsch Reference Premier Premium Dual 8 Floor Standing Speaker is a high-performance option for audiophiles seeking powerful, clear sound. Equipped with dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers and a 1-inch titanium tweeter, it delivers crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep, punchy bass. Its frequency response ranges from 25 Hz to 35 kHz, allowing for rich and immersive audio across all genres. With an RMS power handling of 150 watts and peak power up to 600 watts, this speaker offers plenty of dynamic range and volume without distortion. The bass reflex enclosure enhances low frequencies, providing a full-bodied sound experience. A sensitivity rating of 98 dB ensures efficient sound output, making it compatible with a wide range of amplifiers. The cabinet's elegant ebony finish and sturdy construction complement any home theater setup while helping reduce unwanted resonance. Standing over 43 inches tall and weighing 75.9 pounds, the Reference Premier dual 8-inch speaker commands presence in any room. Binding post connections offer secure wiring options. Users highlight its ability to produce clean, powerful sound and appreciate its improved performance over previous Klipsch models. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this speaker is an excellent investment for those looking to elevate their home audio experience with premium Dolby Atmos sound and robust room-filling audio quality. Number 2. The SVS Ultra Evolution Pinnacle is a standout 3-way floor-standing speaker that offers impressive audio performance and refined design. Equipped with a 1-inch dome tweeter, a 5.25-inch cone mid-range, and an 8-inch cone woofer, it covers an expansive frequency range from 24 Hz to 40 kHz. This allows it to deliver crystal-clear highs, rich mid-range detail, and deep, powerful bass that fills the room effortlessly. With a sensitivity of 88 dB and a 6 ohm impedance, it pairs well with a variety of amplifiers to produce dynamic and accurate sound. Finished in a sleek black oak veneer, the Pinnacle combines both style and durability, standing nearly 50 inches tall and weighing 96.7 pounds. Its solid construction minimizes resonance, ensuring clean and distortion-free audio playback. The speaker uses binding posts for secure wired connections, supporting reliable performance over time. Users rave about the Ultra Evolution Pinnacle's ability to handle high volumes without losing clarity or depth. Many note it as a significant upgrade from other high-end speakers, praising its robust bass response and overall balanced sound. Whether for music or home theater, this speaker delivers an immersive listening experience that satisfies both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. Overall, the SVS Ultra Evolution Pinnacle is an excellent choice for those looking to invest in a premium floor-standing speaker with exceptional power, precision, and style. Number 1. The Bowers & Wilkins 700 Series 3 Floor Standing speaker is a remarkable blend of advanced engineering and elegant design. Featuring a 1-inch dome tweeter on top and dual 6.5-inch bass drivers, this speaker delivers a frequency response spanning from 30 Hz to 33 kHz, ensuring detailed highs, natural mid-range, and deep, controlled bass. With 200 watts RMS power handling and an 8 ohm impedance, it produces powerful, distortion-free sound ideal for immersive home audio experiences. Its ported enclosure enhances bass performance while preserving clarity across the sound spectrum. With a sensitivity of 89 dB, the speaker efficiently fills rooms with rich, dynamic sound. The sleek white finish adds a modern aesthetic, and its dimensions approximately 44 inches tall and weighing 63.5 pounds give it a commanding yet refined presence. Users rave about the exceptional clarity and detail, often noting how the speaker reveals nuances in music that other systems miss. Many have been impressed by its ability to deliver both powerful and delicate audio with equal precision. The support from retailers, such as helpful advice from store managers, also adds to the positive ownership experience. Ideal for audiophiles and serious music lovers, the Bowers & Wilkins 700 Series 3 Floor Standing speaker is a premium choice that offers stunning sound quality and timeless style for any home audio setup. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the best premium floor standing tower speakers for 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more expert audio gear reviews. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. If you have any questions or favorites, leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video.